Hey, what's up guys, in today's video I'll be discussing about the Samsung Galaxy A50's new update, so let's get started. Yesterday I got an update for the Samsung Galaxy A50 and I thought what update it should be. Yeah, I have seen many updates within Samsung devices, but most of them doesn't make sense because they get update but doesn't shows any difference. Okay, like every update, this update was also like the description was written as increasing performance, some new features, and also some bugs are fixed. Okay, I thought so. I download rate it was of for 400 megabytes and I downloaded it for this phone, and I didn't notice any change except the change in the performance of the phone while gaming, and also the battery consumption also got slow. Yeah, the battery backup has improved, and after that some days after some time I just opened my camera and I was wondered by the new features on the camera from the update. Yeah, the first one was the dedicated night mode for the camera. Dedicated night mode. You can see, and let me to take a picture. It has been taken in the night mode. And standard mode. Yeah, and the pictures look like this. This was a standard mode and this was a night mode. Yeah, you can see the difference of the photos. Yeah, and the other was the super slow motion. Yeah, this is a kind of feature that is available on the Samsung flagship phones. Yeah, it is not still available on the mid-range phones, but now it is available on the mid-range phones. You can see this phone has super slow motion as well as a normal slow motion, and that's great. Okay, the video that I took it from this slow motion will be shown right now. Yeah, as you can see, the coin falling on the ground with super slow motion. It's kind of great, and this is how it looked when I showed it on a simple slow motion. Yeah, it looked like a simple one, and the super slow motion looks something more. And the other update was the other feature was on the camera. There was a new update, that is the QR code. If you go on the notification part, you can see here a new option for the QR code scanner. Either you can click on that or you can directly go to your camera and place the QR code right here, and it will automatically scan. You don't need to select an additional option or something like that for that. And the other one was the improved light focus. Yeah, for both front and back camera, the light focus got some new features. Like, I will take a light focus photo of this watch. No, maybe I can take the photo of this book. Yeah, and yeah, you can see I have taken a light focus photo of the book, and here you will be able to find an option like change backgrounds blur, and you can see many new options right here. Yeah, you can change the background as you like, and this one was one of my favorite. making the background black and white. And you can also adjust the intensity. Yeah, this option was available on the Note 10 Plus, which has released recently. And in the Note 10 Plus you can shoot blur background videos. They also call it as live focus video. And for that, camera also got this stuff, and it is great to have such a thing on your smartphone, even the mid-range smartphone. Yeah, the other update was also from the Note 10 itself, I think. Yeah, Note 10, the video recording. And if you will notice right here, you will see a new option for video stabilization. Sorry about the message. Yeah, video stabilization, and you can just click turn on video stabilization. You can see overall, without turning on video stabilization, the phone has great stability. And if you turn on the video stabilization, yeah, you can see it make it more smoother. You can see you can make smoother movements while shooting. Yeah, overall my impression of the camera on this phone was mind-blowing. And you can see this phone has a similar back like the Note 10 Plus, which is a highlight phone. Yeah, and on the update, one of the new feature was the improvement in the fingerprint. As you can see, it has an on-screen fingerprint. When I bought it, it kind of was slow compared to other phones or the and now it just got improved. I'm not telling that it is got faster than other phones over the market. I'm just telling that it is improved compared to the previous version. And if you just double tap on the screen and turn on the lock screen, and then you use the on-screen finger, then it feel quite be faster. Yeah. And the other major update was on the gaming performance. As you can see, there is a new update for the game launcher, which was the same option of Samsung. You can see a new option, and it will tell you guys how much time you played, and also your ranking, your other stuff, and also some related videos. And you can see here I play a lot of games on my phone, and for gaming this phone is the best. Okay, I admit that. Okay, also got a discount for Discord account. You can link your Discord account to this, and also for an option. Yeah, this is a Free Fire, and you can see if you play games on mobile, then as YouTuber I needed to record the video, and for that the Samsung device has something new features like record, screenshot, navigation, and also stream to multiple platforms on the top. You can see, and also you can customize that. I think, yeah, you can customize it. And the performance of the gaming was very awesome. As you guys can see, the gaming performance on this phone is very crazy. You can see no lags, no stack, no nothing. Very smoothly you can play Free Fire and also PUBG on high settings. On Free Fire you can play it at ultra settings. Yeah. And the other major update was an increase in the performance can be visible at the screen itself. The app opening speed just got more boost into it, and also the internet. Okay, and the internet speed also got increased some small, I can say a little small Yeah, it just got increased. And yeah, and the most important thing is the screen. At this price point you are getting a super AMOLED screen which is super bright. Okay, you may thought this is the brightness. No, this is not the brightness. This is not even half the brightness of the screen. And you can, if you can, yeah, you can see, you cannot see on the camera that much brightness this phone got over there. Yeah, and considering the battery, it has a 4000 milliamp hour battery. And also this phone is running on the Samsung's one new UI with Android 9. Yeah, soon Android 10 is going to come. We can hope the update will be coming soon. Yeah, and the back is very crazy. You can see a nice triple camera setup. On the down you got a headphone jack which is not available on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and also many more features on the phone. Okay, if you think the screen, what about the screen? Yeah, the screen is really great. The screen brightness of this phone is crazy awesome. The clarity of the video on this, you can even watch videos, movies on your smartphone. It will be great because this phone is having a nice looking display, gorgeous display, the super AMOLED screen, and the cinemas is going to be crazy awesome watching on this. The colors, you can see the colors pop out of the gray screen, and completely a bezel-less display. So the screen is quite awesome. Yeah, at this price point this phone is great. Okay, if you guys want to buy a smartphone for this price point, then I will truly recommend you guys for buying. And considering the speaker quality, the speaker also is great. Let me show you guys. I will play a song right now. Let me tell. You guys saw that? Yeah, the speaker quality is kind of great. Yeah. Okay, I haven't seen many videos of people telling about the speaker quality is above average, but I'm giving 100 out of 100 for the speaker of this phone. And if you guys want to buy, I will truly recommend you guys for buying this phone at this price point. And this phone is having a ROM of an internal storage of 124, I think. Yeah, 124 gigabytes. Yeah, if you want to buy this phone, go and buy the phone. It is completely crazy awesome, this phone for gamers. And also this phone is available in two RAM variants, I think. Yeah, one for 4 GB and other for 6 GB. Okay, if you're a gamer, then you can go for the 60 gigabytes option. Yeah, otherwise you can go for the upper phone, that is Samsung Galaxy A70, or this you can go, if you have more money, you can go for Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus or something like that. Yeah, otherwise you can go for this phone. Okay, so that's pretty all in today's video. Okay, that's pretty all about the new update on the Samsung Galaxy A50. Okay, if you're new to my channel, then please go down below and click on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you guys won't miss a beep. If you like the video, hit the like button. Well, I'm epidimis from LBGT, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.